This is a quick video on doing bank import in BizSight. I selected banking, reconcile account, and then I have to enter my bank account that I want to bring these transactions into. I selected checking, then I select the bank import menu option. And you get this screen, and we're going to choose the one format, which is CSV, which is basically, you can open it in Excel. So there's my CSV file, or Excel file in CSV format. I click next and then basically walk through the wizard. It shows you some sample data from the sheet. And then I'm going to click import within them, and there it is. All the transactions are imported in as they are from that file. What you still need to, and there's your all the memo from the file. It is imported with all the correct dates, and they're all brought in as journal entries. You still have to assign the account numbers for each one of those transactions. If you try to save it without those account numbers, first of all, it will not save it, and you'll get all red lines basically telling you those accounts are not there. Okay, so you pick and choose the accounts you want to assign them to, whether it's one or different. You just go through each line and assign them. And so let's try. We haven't saved all the accounts, but we're going to try to save. And there you go. It'll tell you all those need accounts. And then as you go through and save them and click save, I mean, you can either click save as you go along, or you can finish selecting all the accounts or all the red lines and then come back and save. And then the final, when all of them pass, then they will be saved and they'll show up here in the bank reconciliation side. And this is just the sample of a template that we use. This is actually from Chase, but you can take basically a very simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Just make sure the column headers are exactly the same, and then you can paste the data you want into here. I mean, here if you wanted to, and then it'll do the import for you.